Hi, good morning, staff. Or actually, it's afternoon for me, but whenever it is for you. I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint to flip the classroom and how to use PowerPoint for screencasting and for taking screenshots, because you don't have to subscribe to Screencastify or learn how to use yet another tool in order to create video lessons. For clarification, the video that I am using is created using PowerPoint for Office 365. All of these tabs and buttons are in all of the versions of PowerPoint, but you might need to go in and ask for help in the help bar. Now, learning how to use PowerPoint to flip the classroom is one of our ISTE standards for educators that educators can explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. And when we are flipping a classroom, we are definitely doing that. So again, this is using PowerPoint for Office 365, but you can use it in other versions. I have never used PowerPoint on a Mac. I don't own a Mac, but I know that they are available in that as well. So right here is my blank screen, and I am going to stop this particular mode and go into a different mode, because in PowerPoint you can record yourself, as I'm doing right now with your PowerPoint, or you can insert video. So I'm going to show you how to insert that screencast video. When you are inserting a screen recording, it records whatever you have on your screen. So if you're moving your mouse around, it will see that. I'm going to click back over to PowerPoint and show you how I got there. To get there, at the top, this is our ribbon. I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to drag it over to where it says Screen Recording. And right now it's grayed out because I am recording my screen. You can insert audio, video, a screenshot, or something else. But that is simply how to insert your screen recording. At the top, there is a little tab that pops down that tells you how long you've been recording, but it will go away when you move your mouse away. If you want to just record the slideshow, so that's the other mode where you see my face in the bottom talking, you go to Slideshow and record slideshow, and you can choose record from current slide or record from beginning. And you can enable subtitles. Now I find that it times my computer out, that it does better if I'm using a desktop, so I turn that off because otherwise I can't get it to load. But that is another option. And if you have questions about how to do that, up in the top in PowerPoint, when you search, you can ask for insert screen recording. And again, it's grayed out because I can't do that right now since I am recording. But it's very, very easy. To save all of this, you come over to File, you click Save As. And again, it's going slowly for me because I'm actively recording. And you change your file format to, you have to choose where you're saving it. You change it from a PowerPoint to a MP4 video. And that MP4 video means your entire PowerPoint is one video. It is not a PowerPoint anymore. It is now a video. It takes a while to save. I usually save it and then go make coffee or go to the bathroom or shelve a bunch of books if we're back at school. But it usually takes a good chunk of time that I can't do anything else on my computer while it is saving as a video. From there, I then upload it to Google Classroom or YouTube or someplace else. But again, it's this very easy to follow format. And just as in closing, here's some pointers for success that I have found from using PowerPoint to screencast. And I've done this for 4 or 5 years at this point. I prefer PowerPoint to other screencasting modes for a variety of reasons, but one of which is that PowerPoint functions as an outline or a storyboard, and it gives me a place to hang my ideas and keep myself organized. The PowerPoint structure allows you to start and stop your video when there are interruptions, like a dog barking or the passing period bells start ringing. and you can delete your audio and video content from just one slide. You don't have to delete it from the entire thing. And give yourself grace when trying something new. It takes work, and I think because PowerPoint is already a very familiar tool, it's easy to learn how to use it as a video creation software. So this is how to use PowerPoint to screencast. Let me know if you have any questions. I can make a handout also, and if you make use of that help bar, it will help with all those other questions also, but I'm happy to answer any questions. And have a great day. Enjoy some sunshine.